Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've got the basics down, let's add those final ingredients and finish off our amazing truffle pasta. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Truffle oil and other ingredients. Truffle oil is a key ingredient in many truffle pasta recipes, and it's a great way to add a concentrated truffle flavor to your dishes. But what exactly is truffle oil, and how do you use it? Truffle oil is made by infusing oil with the flavor and aroma of truffles, usually through a process of steeping or distillation. You can use truffle oil to add flavor to your pasta sauces, or you can drizzle it over your finished dish as a finishing touch. Other ingredients that pair well with truffles include garlic. Sautéed garlic can add a pungent flavor to your truffle pasta dishes. Mushrooms, especially earthy mushrooms like porcini or cremini, which pair well with the umami flavor of truffles. Cream, heavy cream or half and half can add a rich and indulgent texture to your truffle pasta sauces. And cheese, parmesan, pecorino, or other sharp cheeses can add a salty, tangy flavor to your truffle pasta dishes. When cooking with truffle oil, it's a good idea to start with a small amount and taste as you go, adjusting the seasoning to your liking. You can also experiment with different types of truffle oil, such as white truffle oil or black truffle oil, to find the flavor that works best for you. Truffle pasta in restaurants. Truffle pasta has become a staple in many upscale restaurants, and for good reason. The combination of rich, earthy truffles and perfectly cooked pasta is a match made in heaven. But have you ever wondered how restaurants prepare and serve this luxurious dish? Let's take a look at some menu examples and hear from chefs themselves about their experiences with truffle pasta. Menu examples. From spaghetti carbonara with shaved black truffles to fettuccine with truffle cream sauce, restaurants are getting creative with their truffle pasta dishes. Here are a few examples. Truffle spaghetti at Carboni in New York City, priced at $45. Truffle fettuccine at the French Laundry in Yountville, California, priced at $120. Truffle rigatoni at Spiaggia in Chicago, priced at $55. These dishes often feature high-quality ingredients, from fresh truffles to handmade pasta, and are designed to showcase the unique flavor and aroma of the truffles. Chef interviews. We spoke with several chefs about their experiences with truffle pasta, and here's what they had to say. Truffle pasta is all about balance, says Chef Emma Taylor of Michelin-starred restaurant, The Nomad. You want to balance the richness of the truffles with the lightness of the pasta, and the acidity of the sauce. The key to a great truffle pasta dish is using high-quality ingredients, says Chef Michael Tusk of Quince in San Francisco. We use fresh truffles, handmade pasta, and a light, creamy sauce to let the flavors shine through. Truffle pasta is a dish that's all about simplicity, says Chef Missy Robbins of Lilia in Brooklyn. We let the truffles speak for themselves, with just a few ingredients to enhance their flavor and aroma. These chefs offer valuable insights into the art of preparing and serving truffle pasta, from the importance of balance and quality ingredients to the simplicity of the dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, their tips and advice can help you create a truly unforgettable truffle pasta experience. Final thoughts on truffle pasta. As we've explored the world of truffle pasta, it's clear that this dish is a true culinary delight. With its rich, earthy flavor and luxurious feel, it's no wonder that truffle pasta has become a staple in many upscale restaurants. But truffle pasta isn't just for special occasions or fine dining establishments. It can also be enjoyed at home, with a little practice and patience. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, truffle pasta is a great way to elevate your meals and impress your friends and family. Key takeaways. Before you start cooking, here are a few key takeaways to keep in mind. Truffle pasta is all about balance. balancing the richness of the truffles with the lightness of the pasta and the acidity of the sauce. High-quality ingredients are essential: fresh truffles, handmade pasta, and flavorful cheeses like parmesan or pecorino. Simplicity is key. Let the truffles speak for themselves, with just a few ingredients to enhance their flavor and aroma. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating a delicious and authentic truffle pasta dish that's sure to impress. Try it at home or in a restaurant. So why not give truffle pasta a try? Whether you're cooking at home or dining out at a restaurant, this dish is sure to delight. You can find truffle pasta on menus at many upscale restaurants, or try making it yourself at home with a few simple ingredients. Some popular truffle pasta dishes to try include truffle spaghetti carbonara, truffle fettuccine alfredo, and truffle rigatoni with mushroom sauce. Whatever you choose, you're sure to enjoy the unique flavor and aroma of this luxurious dish. So go ahead, indulge in a plate of truffle pasta, and experience the culinary delight that's been thrilling foodies and chefs alike. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.